Okay, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. Okay, not your heart, but anything else. Okay, yeah.
So, I remember one year ago, it was a rainy day.
Speak in the mic, please.
It was a rainy day,
Okay.
and the roof was not well furnished. I was trying to shift my TV and some other things in the second and opposite room, and there was an obstacle. My foot touched with it, and suddenly I fell along with my TV. So it was a TV. Then, sir, repeat the question, please.
I will not repeat the question in front of you. पढ़ नहीं सकते? हाँ, repeat the question.
And then I called to my one of electrician friend. He called me that I will be there in 1 hour, and that's it. And then he came and he repaired it.
Okay.
And I.
All right, thank you. So you should try to speak a little more. In actual exam, examiner will not ask you anything in part 2.
Okay,
Examiner will only facilitate you.
Okay, sir.
Examiner will only read the topic for you, and then you have to go on and on and on. So don't expect the examiner to ask you the next point, because topic is in front of you. You
Okay,
can pick up the next point.
Okay, sir.
And come to the topic straight away. For example, the thing that was broken in my house and then I got it repaired was a TV. Well, once what happened, and then you can come into the story and
Okay,
try
sir.
to summarize your ideas and come to the main topic.
Okay, sir.
Now let's go on. Do you prefer to fix the things which are broken or out of order, or you prefer to buy the new ones?
Sir, I prefer to repair.
Why?
Because if the thing which is broken is fixed, why will you
Buy the new one.
buy another one?
Okay. Do you think the quality of things is better now as compared to the past?
Yeah, the quality of things is much better than the past.
Why?
Because due to technology and some other resources, the things are very better than the past.
Okay. So you'll have to work hard and try to add more ideas in speaking part 3. And for speaking part 2, come to the point directly and elaborate more.
Okay,
And
sir.
practice will make it possible.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.